Hello everyone, I am a Professor Tanveer Bagban working as an Associate Professor in Computer Science and Engineering Department, DKT's Textile Engineering Institute, Ichalkaranji. Through this presentation, I am going to present what are the various career opportunities in computer science and engineering with specialization in artificial intelligence. So let's get started. So first of all, what is artificial intelligence? So artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science that deals with design, development and maintenance of smart cyber systems, which involves use of digital hardware, software, networking subsystems which are capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. So in short, I will tell you the artificial intelligence is all about building a system which are capable of performing tasks which are done by the human being. So what are those tasks which are done by the human being? So likewise, we can see any clock and recognize what is the time in that clock, but normally computer doesn't do this task. We can understand the language in any language, means Marathi we can understand, Hindi we can understand, English, but given a sentence to the computer doesn't understand the language. So incorporating this ability in the machine to behave like a human being, so that is called as artificial intelligence. So another picture showing the artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer, robot or software think and act like a human being. So you can see self-driving car. So nowadays there is a driverless car. So driverless car behaves similarly, just like having a driver in that, and it runs the car. So playing against a computer. So you know computer plays the chess, so which is normally played by the human being, and you know computer chess is very difficult to defeat. So you know Siri, Alexa. So all these are the systems which are built upon the technology of artificial intelligence. Nowadays you can see automation. Automation is all about constructing the car which requires the technologies such as artificial intelligence. So these are the examples of some artificial intelligence. So you can see this is a famous video game like Far Cry. So it has also ability of artificial intelligence. Now you know Siri, Alexa, Cortana, these are the virtual assistants which are available in the mobile. So they also works based on the principles of artificial intelligence. Nowadays banks are having chatbots. Now you can log into the websites of the banks or many industries wherein chatbots are there which will answer your queries. You can see YouTube has also capability of artificial intelligence, Netflix, all these are the entertainment platforms nowadays which are having inbuilt capabilities of artificial intelligence. And you know nowadays Tesla is automobile working on the autonomous car or driverless car. So this concept of car is also based on the principle of artificial intelligence. Now these are some of the areas of artificial intelligence: robotics, computer vision, natural language understanding and processing, and machine learning. So robotics, you know, robots behaves just like a human being. Now what is a computer vision? Computer vision is that branch of artificial intelligence which understands the image, which recognizes the image, and which tells you what is there in the image. Natural language understanding and processing is the branch of the artificial intelligence which understands any language, which translates sentence from one language to another language. You know Alexa and Siri. So you tell to Alexa and Siri, they understands your language and they follow your guideline. Next is machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence which trains the machine, which builds capability similar to the human brain into the machines, and they work just like a human being. So what are the various career opportunities in artificial intelligence? So there are many career opportunities in artificial intelligence. So first one is big data engineer. So big data engineer collects and manage large amount of business related data, and it processes the data so that the business is in the profitable. So big data has got variety of scope, not only business but in other areas also. Next is business intelligence developer. So AI student can work as a business intelligence developer. So what is the prime responsibility of business intelligence developer is to give business insights to managers and help them in decision making. So they recognize different business trends by assessing complicated data, and business intelligence developer develops a systems that helps the managers in better decision making, hence they can run the business in a profitable venture. Next is the data scientist. The role of the data scientist is to capture different types of data, different formats of data, and from that data draw some conclusion, and this conclusion can be drawn for the betterment of the society, and it can also make the business profitable venture. Next is the machine learning engineer. The task of the machine learning engineer is to build a machine learning systems which facilitates machine learning initiatives. They work in the area of image and speech recognition. So they also build the systems that can understand or recognize frauds in the company. They can recognize whether the fraud has happened in the company. They can give customer inputs to the various businesses, and they also manage the risk of the company. So there are wide variety of applications of the machine learning, and machine learning engineer develops the systems which are capable to do all these tasks. Now these are the role of data and AI in realizing the PM's vision for India by 2025. Now our PM has set the vision of India by 2025. All these visions are fulfilled by most of the technologies related to the AI. So we have nowadays AI in agriculture. In AI is also used in energy. AI is used in most of the manufacturing companies. AI is nowadays used in the healthcare to diagnose the diseases and to treat the diseases. AI is also used in financial services to understand the financial risk and modeling. AI is used in logistic and mobility. It is used in mobiles. So our India is poised to become a 5 trillion economy by 2025, and AI is major technology which is going to fulfill this 5 trillion economy dream of our PM. Now these are some of the top companies investing in AI by industry. Now software industry is just like a Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook. They are working in the AI. Financial services like Bloomberg, all these working in the AI. Manufacturing companies like ABB, Toshiba, GE. Automobile like Tesla, Ford, GM, Toyota. Industrial automation. So all you name any sector, all you can find many of the companies working in this sector in AI. So in healthcare, GE is working in AI. In retail, Walmart is working in AI. In semiconductor, Intel, Texas Instruments, all these are working in AI. Now this is the hype cycle for artificial intelligence 2020. Gartner is the organization which suggests which is the technology in demand and which is going to sustain for the next 10 years. So you can see there is a growth in the demand of the AI, and these are the technologies related to the AI. Even after few years, if the technology demand subsides, again it is going to pick up after some time. So you can see based on this graph, the future of the artificial technology is very bright in the near future. Now these are some of the growing investments from the global multinational companies like Microsoft, Uber, Google, Automation Anywhere, MasterCard, Oracle. They are investing heavily in India. So AI market potential in various sectors, you can see it is growing from 2016 to 19. In telecom sector, you can see most of the banking and security sector is dominated by use of AI in this sector. So you can see the market size in billion. So this graph shows by Credit Suisse revenue in terms of US billion dollar, it is growing steadily and exponentially from 16 till 25, and this is the projected growth of AI market till 2025. So this is a bright career for the students studying in AI. These are some of the top 100 companies working in AI in various sectors like transportation, finance and insurance, healthcare, cyber security, construction. So the job roles of AI are IoT architect, cloud architect, AI architect, data scientist, and these are the average minimum salaries they are earning. So this average minimum salaries is higher as compared to any job role available in the market. You can see big data architect can earn starting salary with 20.7 lakh. Normally AI engineers are huge in demand nowadays, and which is very visible from this average per annum salary. So through this presentation, I shared with you various career opportunities existing in computer science and engineering with specialization in AI. So I request all of you to get admission for this branch to make your future bright. Thank you.